DJI Pocket 2 Do-It-All Handle is a handle extension that has built-in wireless module, 3.5mm audio jack, wireless mic receiver, external speaker, and quarter-inch threaded hole for a more flexible and convenient shooting experience. Please follow the steps to install and use the Do-It-All handle. Detach the base of DJI Pocket 2 before installing the Do-It-All handle. To detach the Do-It-All handle after use, hold down the unlock key of the handle before removing it from the Pocket 2. To use the wireless module, remove the smartphone adapter or reverse and insert it back into the universal port, and press the power button and hold to turn on Pocket 2. Launch DJI Mimo and select DJI Pocket XXX or select the Wi-Fi network named DJI Pocket XXX on your mobile phone. The Do-It-All handle will connect automatically. DJI Mimo can be used once the icon appears on the touchscreen to indicate connection was successful. To connect with the DJI wireless microphone transmitter, push the power button and it will automatically link with the Do-It-All handle. If auto-linking has failed, or you need to link it with another wireless microphone, swipe down on the touchscreen, swipe left to find the wireless microphone icon, and tap to enable linking status of DJI Pocket 2. Power on the wireless microphone, press the linking button, and wait for it to connect with the gimbal. Successful linking will be indicated by a solid green LED on the Do-It-All handle, as well as a mic icon appeared in the camera view. After successful linking, the linking button can also be used to take photos and videos. After connected with the Do-It-All handle, you can either play back videos in Pocket 2 with loudspeaker or earphones by inserting it via the 3.5mm port. To connect Pocket 2 with a wired microphone, use the 3.5mm to connect it with the gimbal. You can also use the quarter-inch threaded hole to connect with DJI Pocket 2 micro tripod. The Do-It-All handle must be attached to DJI Pocket 2 for firmware update. Do not turn off the gimbal or disconnect with the handle during a firmware update. Hit the like button if this tutorial was helpful. If you need any support with your DJI gear, feel free to contact us via Facebook Messenger by following the link in the description. Thank you for watching.